Welcome to Science Study Media. Let's go through 50 of the most important questions for RRB NTPC exam. 1. Buland Darwaza was built by which Mughal emperor? A. Shah Jahan. B. Babur. C. Akbar. D. Jahangir. Correct answer is C. Akbar. He built it to commemorate his victory over Gujarat. 2. According to the 2011 census, which district in India has the highest population density? A. Central Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Northeast Delhi. D. Kolkata. Correct answer is C. Northeast Delhi. It tops the list with over 37,000 people per square kilometer. 3. Which Indian state has the most number of national parks? A. Assam. B. Karnataka. C. Maharashtra. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh, truly the tiger state of India. 4. What contributes the most to India's GDP? A. Public investment. B. Private household consumption. C. Exports. D. Government spending. Correct answer is B. Private household consumption. Our daily spending makes up a big chunk of GDP. 5. Shortcut to insert a manual line break in MS Word? A. Control plus Enter. B. Shift plus Enter. C. Alt plus Enter. D. Control plus Shift plus Enter. Correct answer is B. Shift plus Enter. A handy trick for text formatting. 6. Who discovered Arthashastra in 1905? A. Kautilya. B. Max Muller. C. R. Shamashastri. D. S. Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is C. R. Shamashastri. He brought this ancient political text back to light. 7. Which market structure is free entry and exit of firms seen? A. Monopoly. B. Oligopoly. C. Monopolistic. D. Perfect competition. Correct answer is D. Perfect competition. A market open for all. 8. Directive principles of state policy are in which part of the Constitution? A. Part 3. B. Part 4. C. Part 2. D. Part 5. Correct answer is B. Part 4. These guide the state's policy framework. 9. Who was the British Governor General during the revolt of 1857? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Dalhousie. C. Lord Canning. D. Lord Ripon. Correct answer is C. Lord Canning. He handled the First War of Independence. 10. Lothal, an Indus Valley site, is located in which state? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is D. Gujarat, famous for its dockyard. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Narmada. Correct answer B. Godavari. It's the longest river in peninsular India. Largest state in India by area? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer C. Rajasthan. The land of deserts and palaces tops the list. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Correct answer D. 9. Yes, a total of 9 Indian states. Highest peak in South India? A. Annamudi. B. Dodda Betta. C. Agastya Malai. D. Mulaya Nagari. Correct answer A. Annamudi. Located in Kerala, it's the Everest of the south. Which state has the longest coastline? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Maharashtra. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Correct answer D. Gujarat. Over 1600 kilometers of scenic shoreline. Longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Mississippi. C. Nile. D. Yangtze. Correct answer C. Nile. A classic geography question. Country with the most time zones? A. Russia. B. France. C. US. D. China. Correct answer B. France, thanks to its overseas territories. The Great Barrier Reef is in which country? A. Brazil. B. Australia. C. Philippines. D. Indonesia. Correct answer B. Australia, the world's largest coral reef system. Smallest country by area? A. Monaco, B. San Marino, C. Nauru, D. Vatican City. Correct answer D. Vatican City, just 0.49 square kilometers. Largest hot desert in the world? A. Kalahari, B. Atacama, C. Gobi, D. Sahara. Correct answer D. Sahara, covering most of North Africa. General science. Which of these has the shortest wavelength? A. X-rays, B. Gamma rays, C. Infrared rays, D. Visible light. Correct answer B. Gamma rays, super short, super powerful. Who is called the father of economics? A. Adam Smith, B. John Keynes, C. David Ricardo, D. Charles Darwin. Correct answer A. Adam Smith, author of The Wealth of Nations. Nephridia are excretory organs of A. Arthropoda, B. Annelida, C. Mollusca, D. Echinodermata. Correct answer B. Annelida, found in earthworms. Which compound is used as a food preservative? A. Sodium benzoate, B. Magnesium hydroxide, C. Calcium carbonate, D. Sodium bicarbonate. Correct answer A. Sodium benzoate, especially in acidic foods. Main job of mitochondria in a cell? A. Protein synthesis, B. Remove waste, C. Store DNA, D. Produce energy. Correct answer D. Produce energy. It's the powerhouse of the cell. Most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Argon, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer A. Nitrogen, around 78% of the air we breathe. Rocks formed from cooling of magma or lava? A. Metamorphic, B. Igneous, C. Sedimentary, D. Fossilized. Correct answer B. Igneous. Think granite and basalt. Which is not part of the water cycle? A. Precipitation, B. Photosynthesis, C. Condensation, D. Evaporation. Correct answer B. Photosynthesis. That's more of a plant process. Chemical symbol of gold? A. Au, B. Ag, C. Go, D. Gd. Correct answer A. Au, from the Latin word aurum. 30. Who gave the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. Galileo, D. Marie Curie. Correct answer is B. Albert Einstein. E equals mc square. Legendary. Mathematics and aptitude. 31. Arithmetic mean of 47, 55, 35 and 63 is A. 47.5, B. 47, C. 50, D. 49. Correct answer is C. 50. Add all and divide by 4. 32. If 256139AA is divisible by 11, what is A? A. 7, B. 8, C. 9, D. 2. Correct answer is B. 8. यूज ऑल्टरनेटिंग सम रूल।
11 से डिविजिबल होगा या नहीं, इसका शॉर्टकट रूल ये है कि सबसे राइट में जो है उसको लीजिए, एक छोड़कर फिर से लीजिए, इस तरीके से आप ऐड कीजिए। जैसा कि यहाँ पे 4, 9, 1, 5 इसको ऐड कीजिए। फिर सेकंड राइट में जो है उसको लीजिए, फिर एक छोड़कर दूसरा को लीजिए। इस जैसा कि यहाँ पे ये 9 छोड़कर फिर 3 लीजिए, इस तरीके से ऐड कीजिए। दोनों साइड को ऐड करने के बाद आप देख लीजिए कि कितना डिफरेंस आता है। तो हमारे यहाँ पे देख लीजिए 8 का डिफरेंस है, तो इसका आंसर यही है 8।
33. Ria scored 406 out of 700. What's her percentage? A. 57, B. 58, C. 57.25, D. 61.45. Correct answer is B. 58. Quick math wins marks. 34. Selling a table for rupees 1270 with 27% gain, cost price A. 1000, B. 1050, C. 1025, D. 1015. Correct answer is A. 1000. Reverse calculation. 35. HCF of 1260, 1980 and 3060 is Y. Sum of digits of Y is A. 9, B. 12, C. 15, D. 18. Correct answer is A. 9. Use prime factorization. 36. Simplify bracket 7 into 9 plus 3 into 8 plus 3 divided by bracket 9 into 4 plus 72 divided by 8 is A. 5, B. 4, C. 2, D. 3. Correct answer is C. 2. A little Bodnas magic. 37. If day before yesterday was Saturday, day after tomorrow is A. Wednesday, B. Thursday, C. Tuesday, D. Friday. Correct answer is A. Wednesday. Count carefully. 38. 5th January 2012 was Monday. What was 31st March 2013? A. Sunday, B. Monday, C. Tuesday, D. None of these. Correct answer is D. None of these. It was actually a Sunday. 39. Which date of June 2099 is a Sunday? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. Correct answer is D. 7. Time travel through calendars. 40. In which year was Christmas again on Tuesday like 1979? A. 1992, B. 1986, C. 1985, D. 1984. Correct answer is D. 1984. Same weekday 5 years later.
41. Brain equals CSBJO. Smart equals TNBSU. Train equals question mark. The correct answer is A. USBJO, a pattern of alphabet shift. 42. Ria ranked 12th from the top and 28th from the bottom, the total number of students. The correct answer is B. 39. Use the rank formula T equals T plus B minus 1. 43. Cat, FDW, IGZ, question mark. The correct answer is B. LJD. Note the alphabetical jumps. 44. Heard their voice equals new cat S, code for heard car. The correct answer is A, high S. The code can be deduced by logic. 45. Tallest to shortest, K greater than question mark, greater than question mark, greater than O, greater than L. Who is the third tallest? The correct answer is B, N. To eliminate answers as a solution. 46. Amit's mother-in-law's granddaughter is Madhuri's niece. Amit and Madhuri are. The correct answer is D, none of these relations. 47. Sumit's grandfather's brother is father of Hemant's father. Sumit is, the correct answer is A, cousin. A family tree logic applies.
Ravi said, she is the granddaughter of my father's elder brother. अब रवि के साथ इस लड़की के साथ रिलेशन क्या है साबित करना है. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. Rita says, he is the brother of daughter of wife of my husband. He is. Correct answer is option A, son.
Man says, she is my nephew's maternal grandmother. She is related to his sister as. The correct answer is C, mother. Draw a quick family tree to solve. That's it for today's power-packed 50 RRB NTPC questions. Make sure like the video and subscribe Science Study Media.